Welcome to our channel. We've got something awesome for you today. A super cool tutorial on creating trendy images with AI, and the best part is, it won't cost you a thing. We're breaking it down with easy-to-follow steps and tricks, so whether you're a total beginner or a pro, you'll be whipping up stunning trend images in no time. First, open Google Chrome and type Bing Image Generator on your mobile or laptop. Now, click on the first website for the Bing Image Generator. Next, click on the Join and Create button. If you don't have an account, first, create a free account. To generate trending images, grab some excellent prompts from this video description. Paste the prompt, click on the Generate button, and wait for the rendering results. Check out the first 3 images from our prompt. They look awesome. This serves as our initial prompt. If the results aren't up to par, feel free to hit the Regenerate button for a fresh take. Let's give our second prompt a shot. In this one, I've included a football stadium background. Feel free to tweak this prompt to generate even better images. Get creative and experiment with variations to see what works best for you. If the results aren't quite what you're looking for, don't hesitate to make adjustments and try regenerating for a fresh set of images. Let's experiment with our third prompt, which revolves around a couple of people standing next to each other. Incorporate elements like cgsociety, hurufiyya, official art, hyper-realistic, and a lovely background featuring a football ground. Mix and match these details to create a unique and compelling prompt. As we wrap up this exciting journey into the world of AI image generation, we hope you've enjoyed unleashing your creativity with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more amazing tutorials and creative adventures. Stay inspired, and we'll catch you in the next video.